Let's take a look at this historical bowling alley dating back to 1952 when the DiDonato Family Fun Center was originally a small family four-lane bowling alley. This classic gathering place for neighborhood and where you can meet socially, bowl, and have fun. Over the decades, the DiDonato family continued to invest in their business, turning it into South Jersey's most entertaining bowling venues, with also multiple other different events happening here. So let's talk about their growth. In 1952, the business opened its doors with just a few lanes, as mentioned. Quickly became a well known community fun and family center. Over time, it expanded to 27 modern lanes, making it far larger than the original bowling alley that was originally open. In 2012, the Donato family made a huge investment, transforming the property into a full family fun center, an expansion with a dining room, entertainment, and seasonal experience with different types of Christmas themes. And it's a very, very popular location during the Christmas season with the magical holiday express at Christmas, and then their Easter, spring, and Halloween trick or treat train. They have a lot of amenities here, including the pin deck, which makes homemade ice cream and seasonal treats, along with the alley bar and grill, which I looked at their food when I was there, and it was quite impressive, including many craft beers and a relaxing dining atmosphere for all. This is definitely not just a place to play, but it's a family location and a legacy in the future. The business has stayed on the same hands with the DiDonato family almost 70 years, and multiple generations continue to grow in the community. Its long term family investment and commitment to involving the center has helped and remained a beloved entertainment location that hasn't changed in multiple years. What do you think about this location? Have you been here? Let us know down in the comment section. Hopefully, we can get out there and get some more footage of this location. That's it for this video. Keep a lookout for more videos to come, and more importantly, take a look at some golf videos. You gotta eat, but you also have to play some golf when the weather is better. Or not, whatever. Or go bowl. Do whatever you want.